Welcome to today's video, where we will tackle a common problem that many Excel users face when dealing with large datasets. The problem at hand involves optimizing performance by reducing the amount of resources needed to process over 200,000 records in columns A, B, C, and D. The goal is to filter and group the data based on unique names and their corresponding lowest order value, in order to return only the country, order, and name with the smallest value. The current approach using helper columns is consuming excessive CPU, memory, and threads, leading to longer processing times. Now, getting into the solution provided, let's break it down step by step. The initial formula utilizes the LET function in Excel 365 to define variables A and B corresponding to columns D and C, respectively. With the help of the stack function, we are able to filter the data based on the minimum order value for each unique name. This approach efficiently narrows down the dataset to the desired output while optimizing performance by minimizing resource usage. Building on the optimization journey, we transition to another approach using Power Query to streamline the data processing. By grouping the data based on the unique name and calculating the minimum order value within each group, we are able to expand the table and filter out only the rows with the lowest order value for each name. This method leverages the power of Power Query to efficiently handle and manipulate the dataset, ensuring accurate results with minimal resource consumption. Taking it a step further, the updated formula introduces a sorted array, A, based on the order in name columns, allowing for a more streamlined approach to filtering out the rows with the lowest order value for each unique name. By utilizing functions like sort, unique, and XMATCH, this formula delivers an optimized solution to the initial problem, minimizing resource usage and enhancing performance. In summary, by implementing these advanced Excel formulas and utilizing Power Query, we have successfully overcome the performance bottleneck associated with processing large datasets. These solutions not only provide accurate results, but also optimize resource utilization, making data manipulation more efficient and effective. I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy Excel, ing.